Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can use your Samsung TV without the remote control. This is a 2024 model. So in this episode here we're going to be showing you how to change the source. For example, I'm going to be going onto my TiVo box, my Virgin Media box. You might be going onto your PlayStation 4 or 5 or your Xbox. It's the same thing. So if you have a look under the Samsung little logo here, we have a little power button. You can just see it in the phone here. It's just this little power button here. So all we have to do is tap that, and that will turn the TV on. And now we want to go to the control menu. So I'm just going to tap that button again, and it's going to bring up a menu here. This will allow us to go to the source of the TV, or you can do other things like change the volume, channel, etc. So to move along, we just need to tap it. Every time we tap that button there, it's going to move up on screen there. So you can see every time I tap it, it's just moving along. So we're going to go to source, and then we have to hold the power button down to actually select source. And what it will do is it will go through each of the sources in order. So I'm going to hold it down now. And there you go, TiVo. It went straight to TiVo there. Even though that is the same image, it is actually a different channel. So now if I use this here, you can see this is my Virgin Media TiVo box and it's working here. So that is how you do it. If you wanted to then go to the next source, because maybe you didn't want TiVo, you wanted something else, again, tap the power button. It will bring up this menu. Tap, 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 tap over to source and hold down, and then it will go to the next one. Now this is HDMI 2. You might have your PlayStation 4 plugged into that. So that's it. That's how to use your Samsung TV without the remote control and change source. When it comes to turn it off, again, tap the power button, and then you need to select the power off and just hold it down, and you will see then your TV will turn off. So it's far from ideal, but at least you can still use your TV until you get your replacement remote control or find where you mislaid it. Thanks for watching.